Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to expand your character's inventory using the Sailor's Backpack. First of all, in the discoveries you'll need to have the rough hide and copper ingots unlocked. The rough hide can be gathered from boars and sows, which are the animals located in the coastal jungle biome. Nextly, we want to go ahead to our workbench. And here you'll see the Sailor Backpack, on which you'll need the torn sailcloth bag, which can be made from 2 coarse fabric and 1 rope. Also, you'll need 5 rough hides, which as I said can be gathered from boars and sows, and 2 copper ingots, which can be made from 4 copper ores and 1 charcoal in the smelting furnace. Once we've gathered all the resources, we can go ahead and craft it and take it into our inventory. Now, as you can see, I've already have it equipped, but if I get it down, as you can see, it's going to delete a whole row of inventory, which is 8 slots. So, this is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.